Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot YouTube channel. And this morning we're going to be talking about the plugs for your step pegs. You have one for the side and you have one for the bottom. And the nice thing about them is they can be 3D printed, and because of that, the cost is down on them to about $10 now. So if you need them for your airplane, give us a call and let's take a look at them. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. You know, this is one of the true definitions of an owner-produced part. The nice thing about 3D printing. You know, back when I had my first Traveler back in 1991, I was missing the pegs here. I didn't have the plugs in my step pegs. So I made mine out of Play-Doh, and then I let it harden. Then I sanded it, and then I glued it into place with some RTV silicone, and those were my step pegs and my Travelers for quite a number of years. Well, now we have the option. We can make them out of a number of different plastics, PTEG and some other materials that are really nice for our airplanes. The nice thing is with the 3D printers today and some of the resolution files, they're so smooth now they need very little sanding before you can put them in the airplane. And by making them out of white, we don't have to paint them white. And if we do paint them white, for UV protection, not really needed. But if you paint them white, then they're scraped, you won't really notice because they're white plugs. If you used a black plug and you got a scratch on it, you would notice it. But anyway, the finish is really nice on these. I'd like to thank Robert for making these for us. And again, we're going to have these available through Yankee Aviation, so just give us a call. Again, we've been using the 3M 5200L marine sealant. Now, that's the same sealant we use in our main fairings for holding those big metal plates on that get riveted in wet when the fairings are going together, especially in the mains on that side where you have the axle bearing. But anyway, we're talking about plugs here. So they're 3D printed, they're good and durable. If you've lost them out of your airplane, again, use the 3M 5200L marine adhesive to put them in there. Use a generous amount and wipe it off. It's white, it won't show very hard at all. And then also available through the 3D printer, we also have the Canopy buttons for the rails, the ones that go clickety click when you open and close your canopy with the Canopy button springs. Well, here they are. Again, because they're 3D printed, instead of being machined out of Teflon, they're $3 versus the 12 something they were. So if you need some Canopy buttons, again, give us a call. We've got them in stock, and we can just slip them into the envelope along with the pegs and anything else you might need and get them on your way. So it's an exciting time, and it brings a whole new meaning today world of owner-produced parts. The fact that we have these plugs, that we have the Canopy buttons. Some things we have to make out of the Delran or the Teflon, such as the Canopy post, but there are other places on our airplane where 3D printing could be used. It's up to the creativity of what you want to produce. You know, we've had some people produce some nice stuff for our airplanes through laser etching and all. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you found all this about the plugs for our step pegs useful and informative. They look really nice. They don't make your airplane go any faster, but thanks for watching and have a great day flying your Grumman. And here's somebody wearing a red GPA shirt flying their red and white airplane. Looks really nice, and I'd like to thank you for sending me the video. Again, folks, wear your GPA shirts. It shows you off from the crowd. And we thought we'd share our little MGM lion with you. Perfect. So we hope you enjoyed all of this. Thanks for watching.